What's good? So today is December 11th, 2025, Thursday. Haven't been posting in a minute, but promise y'all I'm going to get more consistent with posting these videos. So to give a quick little update on the group, we've had some people pass accounts. So as you can see here, we have somebody in the group that passed an account and also passed another one that same day, right? Followed by another person yesterday passing their funded account as well, right? So today we call this a solid trade on gold. So I'm going to briefly go through some of the results that some of the members got, and then I'm going to quickly go over the trade setup that we took this morning. And so as you can see, we have an individual here that made $236. Another person here that made $487. And this person here actually caught it on 5 accounts as a usual trade copier. So super solid profit right there. Another individual with 241, 659, 401, 344, over 1,300. Another, what is that? 500. So as you can see, a lot of us were hitting profits on this setup. Another 220. This person had caught another trade where they was up 99 on that entry. And I later caught a different trade. But like I said, we're going to go over the trade we took this morning, which was gold. And so let me go to my trading view to show the setup. And so this is the trade here. Now, a lot of us actually missed out on the bigger move. A lot of us got out at around the 1R to the 2R range, but missed out on something that could have been a 6R. All right, so I want to quickly break down what we were looking for and somewhat go over the entry, but not giving too much detail of why we entered completely because that would defeat the purpose of our group. So when it comes to this setup, we were simply looking at this break of resistance here. All right, we're looking at this break of a resistance here. So once we've seen this break on the hour, we're basically looking for the market to come back into that zone, retest, and potentially make a higher high. So basically we're looking for a movement where you have a low, a high, a higher low, a higher high. And that's literally what the market ends up doing here, as you're going to see when I go down to the lower time frame. But I literally drew my line, my zone from the top of this wick to the body, and was looking for the market to reach back into the zone, like I said before, and to push up higher. We actually got our entry off of the 6-minute, in which we were able to get in after this candle closed here. And so when we got in here, we literally hit our TP1, which is a 1R, pretty soon, like within, what is that, around 18 minutes. So it wasn't a long trade, but it continued to push up. It continued to stay above this SMA, and eventually it did go for over a 6R, right? So we had the potential to catch a 6R move. Like I said, most of us got out at around a 1 to 2R, which was fine. But as I said, this setup is the only setups that we take every time. Like, we don't switch up our setups, and we consistently get results. We consistently make profits, and it's literally taking that same setup every time. We did have a chance where we could have entered on SPX that we missed right here, but thankfully we were able to catch that gold trade. So we didn't, end up the day profitless. But this one also went for a big move. It actually did a 4R, a little bit over a 4R, in which we could have made money on it. But like I said, I was cool with that gold trade, and that you can see the whole group made money for everybody that was on that live session. So I do live sessions every weekday, as of right now, from 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time till at least 10, right? Sometimes we go to 11. Today we went to 11. But basically trying to catch some moves during London session and some type of move during New York session if possible. But yeah, like, the focus of this group is to obviously make everybody money. but then also teach them, because there's people now in the group that are able to take their own trades on top of the trades that we take during the live session. There's people in the group that are literally able to say like, hey, check the 6 minute out before I set up, or check the 10 minute out before I set up, because they're starting to understand the strategy that I taught them. So now they can basically understand why I'm entering trades, and like I said, also take their own trades. So currently I do have a promo going on. So if you are interested, it is a one-time $100 lifetime fee, but the price will be going back up to $200 a month. And so if you want to be part of the group, definitely reach out ASAP, because this is just a promo that I'm doing just for the holidays. But like I said, the price will be going back to $200 a month. But as you can see from the group, there's people making over $200 off of one trade, right? So it's definitely worth it. But like I said, right now is the best time to do it, as you'll just pay a one-time $100 fee. But like I said, I'm going to start becoming more consistent with dropping these videos. To be honest, I was in the process of moving and all that, so I was a little busy. But now that I am settled in, these videos are going to be a lot more consistent, in which we're going to continue to show results. You're going to continue to see people pass accounts, and then you're also going to start seeing payouts as well. So other than that, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.